Class activity number 7. Solve the following linear equations. Part A. 2x plus 3 is equals to 9. So we have to find the value of x. We keep the variables on the left side and number on the right side. So we move plus 3 to right. Plus 3, change the sign, minus 3. 9 minus 3, 6. 2x, bring it down. Divide both sides by 2. You will get x is equals to 3. Part B. 3x minus 2 is equals to 12 minus 4x. So we keep the same idea by keeping variables to the left side and numbers on the right. So we move minus 4x to left. It will become plus 4x. Minus 2, move right, plus 2. Simplify it, 3x plus 4x, 7x. 12 plus 2, 14. Divide both sides by 7. X is equals to 2 is our final answer. Part C. 5 into 1 minus x is equals to 4, 1 minus 2x plus 7. So we will use here distributive property. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into minus x minus 5x is equals to 4 into 1, 4. 4 into minus 2x minus 8x plus 7 as it is. So we will keep the variables on the left side and numbers on the right side. So minus 8x is moved to left, plus 8. 4 plus 7 will give us 11. 5 to the right side, 11 minus 5. Now simplify this one. 8 minus 5 is 3. 11 minus 5 is 6. Divide both sides by 3 and we'll get x is equals to 2. Part D. There are two fractions and the equal sign in the center. So we will use cross multiply. Cross. Mean 5 goes to the left side and x plus 1 goes to the right side. So 5 into 2 minus x and x plus 1 into 4. Now this question is same like part C. Use distributive property. 5 into 2, 10x. 5 into 1, minus 5. 4 into x, 4x. 4 into 1, 4. We keep the variables on left side and numbers on the right side. So on the same idea, 4x, move it to left, minus 4x. Minus 5 to right, plus 5. Simplify it. 6x is equals to 9. Divide both sides by 6. And then again simplify this by dividing 9 by 3 and 6 by 3. Part E. 2x over 5 minus 2 is equals to 1. We move 2 to the right side. It will become positive. 1 plus 2, 3. And then again we use here cross multiply. Denominator by numerator. And on the right side there is no denominator. So leave 2x as it is. 5 times 3 or 3 times 5. 15. Divide both sides by 2. Since we cannot use calculators, so leave the answer as it is. Part F. By using cross multiplication, 3 times 3x plus 3 and 1 times x plus 1 will get this. Now use distributive property. 3 times 3, 9x. 3 times 3, 9 is equals to 1 times x, x and 1 times 1, 1. Keep the variables on the left side and numbers on the right. Move x to left side, 9x minus x. And move 9 to the right side, 1 minus 9. And simplify this. 9 minus, there is no number here. It means 1. 9 minus 1, 8. 1 minus 9, minus 8. Divide both sides by 8 and we'll get x is equals to minus 1. Quadratic equation. The general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers. Quadratic formula is given as: number 1, solve the following quadratic equations by quadratic formula. Part A, x squared plus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0. So first step, we have to find a, b, and c. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, c is constant number. Put all these values in this formula, replace a, b, and c. b is 5, b is 5, minus 4, a is 1, c is 6. Simplify this. 25 minus 24 will give you 1. Now solve it two times. First time with plus sign and second time with minus. Minus 5 plus 1 will give us minus 4. Divide by 2 is equals to minus 2. Second time, minus 5 minus 1 over 2 minus 6 divide by 2 will give you minus 3. Part B. 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 is equals to 0. Same way, first we have to find a, b, and c. A is equals to 2, b is equals to 5, and c is equals to minus 3. Do not forget to put the sign. Put a, b, c in the formula. X is equals to minus b. b is 5 plus minus b square, 5 square, minus 4 into a and c over 2a. A is 2. Simplify this. 25 minus minus plus 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 3, 24 over 4. Minus 5 plus minus root 49. And we know root 49 is 7. Again we will solve it two times. First time with plus and the second time with minus. Minus 5 plus 7 will give us 2. 2 divided by 4 is equals to half. And x is equals to minus 5 minus 7 over 4. Minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12. Minus 12 divided by 4 will give us minus 3. Part C, 5x squared minus 6x plus 1 is equals to 0. So first we have to find a, b, and c. A is 5, b is minus 6, and c is equals to 1. Now put all these values in the formula. B is minus 6. Here also b minus 6, b squared minus 4ac. A is 5, c is 1 over 2 into 5, 2a. Minus 6 squared is 36. 36 minus 20. 2 times 5 is 10. Root 16. 6 plus minus root 16 over 10. So you have to solve it two times. First time with plus and second time with minus. 6 plus 4 over 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 divided by 10 is equals to 1. And second time with minus. So root 16 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 over 10. Simplify it and you will get 1 over 5. Part D, 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. So a is coefficient of x squared, which is 3, b is 2, and c is equals to minus 1. Put all these values in the formula. B is minus 2 plus minus root 2 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 1. A is 3 and c is minus 1. Again here a is 3. Simplify it. 2 square is 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 times minus 1, minus 12, minus minus, plus plus 12. 4 plus 12 is 16. So again, you have to solve it two times. First time with plus and second time with minus. Minus 2 plus root 16 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 over 6 will give us 1 over 3. Minus 2 minus 4 will give us minus 6. Minus 6 over 6 will give us minus 1.